Here's a 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. You need room, you crave capability, and you also want fun. Yes, you can have it all with this Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: inline 4-cylinder engine, air conditioning, streaming audio, manual tilting steering column, wireless phone connectivity, external memory control, aluminum wheels, 4 12-volt power outlets, and automatic transmission. Cars.com thinks the Santa Fe's cabin is quiet and its ride smooth. Even during a quick jaunt on a dirt road, it demonstrated a high level of composure and bump absorption. It bounded over larger potholes but stayed buttoned down over smaller imperfections. Hyundai's attention to detail means a better driving experience for you. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
We at Lakeland Toyota know you want a reliable used car. Visit us online anytime at lakelandtoyota.com. Stop in and see us at 2925 Mall Hill Drive in Lakeland, Florida.